You can now easily manage and modify layers of postprocessor code from within the Layer Manager dialog box. The new user interface replaces a process that required you to use an XML editor and update the file structure manually. We'll begin by creating a new postprocessor that we can edit. Next, we'll export a layer from the postprocessor so it can be edited and reused. Exporting makes a copy of the specified layer in a specified directory. The 6 buttons are new. Layers that are grayed out cannot be disabled, removed, or reordered. Select the layer you wish to export, in this case, service libraries. Click Export Layer and specify the directory you wish to export the layer to. The exported files can now be edited and imported to any postprocessor. We'll delete the existing service libraries layer from the postprocessor and then replace it by importing an edited layer. The imported layer will be added below the selected layer. Lastly, we'll add a layer to the postprocessor. The new layer is added below the selected layer. The name you enter is what will appear in the Layer Manager list. The file name will be used to name the files. Check the file types the new layer contains. The new layer is added to the list. Additional layer customization can be done inside the Post Configurator dialog box.